Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to basically go ahead and change the icons of these navigation drawer. So as you could see, the by default view of this navigation drawer is actually set, and if you want to change this, what you have to do is that you basically have to go to the menu file and you have to go to the activity_main_drawer.xml. And if you go to the text view of this file, as you could see here, you could see the bunch of icons which are being assigned to these particular navigation drawer items. So if you could notice in the drawable folder, these are the icons which are assigned to those. So this is the camera icon, this is the gallery icon, and these are the rest of the icons as well, which are basically assigned to these items over here. So now what we will do is that we will basically go ahead and customize this according to our own needs. So what we will do is that to get our customized own icons, we will open up Google Chrome and we will go to the official Android link, which is developer.android.com/design/downloads/index.html, and here you could find a bunch of icons which you could use for free in your application. Okay, so once the site is loaded up, you could basically go to the option which says material icon collection, and it actually gives you a bunch of icons to work with so that you could download the most suitable options which suit your application. So in here, as you could see, we have a bunch of icons, and let's say the first item on our navigation drawer has to be home. So what we will do is that we will search for an appropriate icon over here. So what you could do is that you could even go ahead and search for the icon over here, and as you could see, we found the home icon. So you simply need to click over here, select the appropriate color, and then what you could do is that you could click on this PNGs, and it's going to download the PNG file for you. So if you open this thing up, as you could see, the PNG file is ready for you. So you simply have to open this thing up, go to Android, select the highest configuration. You simply need to copy this. Then you could basically close this, open up your Android Studio. You need to go to the drawable folder and paste it over here and hit OK. And let's say we name this thing as home.png. Click OK. And as you could see, now the home PNG icon is added over here. Now to add this icon to the first option, what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and you need to change the icon property over here. So you type @drawable, and the new image name is home in this case. So when you type in home, as you could see, this icon changed to home. Now you could go ahead and download a bunch of icons for all these other options as well, but as it's going to be a repetitive process, I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to simply replace everything with the same icon over here, so as to show you guys that these icons can actually be changed. And also what we will do is that we will change the first item. So right now this thing says import. So what we will do is that we will change its name to home, and you could also customize the other icons here as well. Now once this thing is done, you also need to change the ID of this particular icon. So let's say the ID of this is also home, so make sure to change that, and we are basically good to go. Now if you go to the main view of your navigation drawer, which is the activity main.xml, as you could see, now the first option is changed to home, and all the icons are now being changed to home. Now do remember that you could customize this according to your own needs, but just for an example, I've taken only a single option over here. And once this thing is done, we are basically done designing the navigation drawer. Now the only thing which we need to learn is how to basically make this navigation drawer functional. So in the next lecture, what we will do is that we will learn how to make this navigation drawer functional so that when you select a particular option, you will be navigated to a new activity. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.